Solutions. Today I will discuss the solutions in NEET synopsis, NEET JEE Mains and IIT and CET. Listen carefully. What is meant by solutions? A homogeneous picture of two or more non-reacting components is called as solutions. Solution meaning a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting components. Non-reacting components is called as solution. For example, hydrogen gas in calorium. So many examples here. Suppose homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting components is called as a solution. What is the meant by component? What is meant by component? Listen, component meaning the substance which are used to making of solutions, generally called as a component. Component meaning the substance which are used to making of all solutions, generally called as components. Component meaning the substance which are used to making of all solutions. All solutions generally called as components. Okay, based on the number of components, generally solutions are classified as based on the number of components. Number of components. Solutions are classified binary solutions. What is meant by binary solutions? Listen, two solutions meaning suppose salt plus water. Binary solution means two components of the solutions. For example, salt plus water. And another point is ternary solutions. Ternary means three components. Binary means how many components here? Two components. Ternary means three components. Already you know that components. What is meant by components? The substance which are used to making of all solutions, generally called as a components. Based on the number of components, solutions are classified as binary solutions, ternary solutions, quaternary solutions. Binary solutions meaning two components. Example is salt plus water. Ternary solutions meaning three components. For example, salt plus sugar plus water. And another point is quaternary solutions. Quaternary solution is called as quaternary solutions. Four components. Four components. For example, sugar, water, salt plus oil. This is the quaternary solutions. Based on the number of components, solutions are classified in these types: binary solutions, ternary solutions, quaternary solutions. Okay, in this second PUC textbook, only discuss the binary solutions only. Which one? Binary solutions. Binary solutions. In binary solutions, two terms is present. One is solute, another one is solvent. Only discuss about the binary solutions. In our chapter solutions, only discuss the binary solutions. Binary solutions. Binary solutions. In binary solutions, also it involves two terms. One is a solute. Binary solutions means two components. First one is solute, another one is solvent. Listen, what is meant by solute? Solute meaning the substance which is present in small quantity. The substance which is present in the substance which is present in small quantity, that is called as solute. Solvent, what is meant by solvent? Solvent meaning the substance which is present in large quantity. Any substance, that means two solutions is present. Small quantity is a solute, large quantity is a solvent. Okay, the substance which is present in large quantity of the solution is called as solvent. Binary solutions, it involves two terms. Binary solution meaning two components. One component is solute, another one is solvent. Solute is the substance which is present in a small quantity. Solvent means the substance which is present in a large quantity. Okay, next another one is types of solutions. Based on the physical state of solute and solvent, the solutions are classified in three types. One is the solid solutions, liquid solutions, gaseous solutions. Types of solutions. Listen carefully. Types of solutions. Based on the physical state of solute and solvent, based on the physical state of solute and solvent, the solutions are classified in three types. The solutions are classified in three types. One is solid solutions. One is solid solutions. And another one is liquid solutions. Liquid solutions. And the third one is gaseous solutions. Listen, in solid solutions, solid act as a solvent. Solid solutions, solid act as a solvent. Solid act as a solvent. Listen, this is the solute to solvent and the solute solvent example. Listen, suppose that this is the solute is a gas and a liquid and a solid. Already you know that the solid solutions, solid act as a solvent. Gas, solutes is gas, liquid and solid. Solvent is solid only. Gas in solid type example is hydrogen gas in palladium, H2 gas in palladium. And another one is a liquid solid. This is liquid in solid type example is mercury with sodium. Mercury with sodium, that is called as amalgam, one type of amalgam. And another one, solid type of solution example is copper dissolved in gold. Copper dissolved in gold. This is the solid solutions examples. Solid act as a solvent, solute solvent example. Gas, solute, solvent is solid. Gas in solid type is hydrogen gas. In example is hydrogen gas in palladium. Liquid, solute, solvent is solid. Liquid is solid. Mercury with sodium. Solid, copper dissolved in AU. AU means gold. Another one is in liquid solutions, liquid act as a solvent. Liquid act as a solvent. Liquid act as a solvent. Suppose this also solute and the solvent, solute, solvent example. Listen carefully. Solute is a gas, liquid, solid, gas, liquid, solid. In solute and solvent, for example, gas, solvent is always liquids. Gas and liquid type example is CO2 in water, CO2 in water, or oxygen in water, O2 in water. And liquid type of liquid solution example is ethyl alcohol mixed with water. And the solid in liquid type example is salt plus H2O. Salt plus H2O. Next, another point, gaseous solutions. In gaseous solutions, gas acts as a solvent. Gas acts as a solvent. Solute, solvent, example. gas, liquid, solid. Solvent is all these the gases. Gas, gas, gas. Gas in gas type of gaseous solution. Example is air, oxygen in nitrogen, or oxygen in N2. Water droplet gas, liquid in gas type. Water droplets in air. And then the another one is solid in gas type, dust particles in air. This is the types of solutions. In types of based on the physical state of solute and solvent, the solutions are classified in three types: solid solutions, liquid solutions, gaseous solutions. Solid solutions, solid act as a solvent. Liquid solutions, liquid act as a solvent. Gaseous solutions, gas act as a solvent. These are examples for a solid gas and solid type. For asking for a JMN's NEET or anyone's CET, simple questions are asking, but the gas and solid type of example is what? Hydrogen gas and gradient. And liquid in solid type example is mercury with sodium. Solid in solid type is copper dissolved in gold. Another point, gas and liquid type example is what? CO2 in water, oxygen in water. Liquid type of liquid in liquid example is ethyl alcohol mixed with water. Solid in liquid, salt plus water. Gases, suppose gas in gas type of a gas in gas example is air or oxygen in nitrogen. Liquid in gas type is water droplets in air. Solid in gas type of example, dust particles in air. This is the basic terms types of solutions is completed. Next, another topic is concentration. What is meant by concentration? Listen, any solutions, water acts as a solvent, that the solutions are aqueous solutions. Any solutions, water acts as a solvent. The type of solutions is aqueous solutions. Other than water means non-aqueous solutions. Only water is a solvent. Water is any solutions. Water is a solvent is called as aqueous solutions. In aqueous solutions, aqueous solution means water only. Non-aqueous solution means other than water. That for example is benzene, carbon tetrachloride, liquid ammonia, liquid HF, hydrogen chloride, liquid SO2. These are this example for non-aqueous solution. Okay. Next to go for another topic is concentration. What is meant by concentration? Concentration is the amount of present. The concentration is expressed in the amount of solute present in given quantity of the solution is called as a concentration. Concentration meaning the amount of solute present in given quantity of the solution. Concentration. What is meant by concentration? The amount of solute present in given quantity of the solution is called as concentration. Means the amount of solute present in given quantity of the solution is called as concentration. Concentration may be expressed in qualitative and quantitative. Concentration may be expressed in two types. Expressed in qualitative and quantitative. What is meant by qualitative? What is meant by quantitative? Qualitative means the solution concentration are diluted. Qualitative analysis means the solutions are concentration or diluted. Concentration or either concentration or diluted. Concentration or diluted. And another one is quantitative. Quantitative means the amount, how much value is present, how much concentration is expressed in with a certain value. Concentration is expressed in certain value. Quantitative concentration is expressed in certain value. In this concentration, the quantitative, on the basis of quantitative, the concentrations are expressed in weight percent. The concentrations are expressed in on the basis of quantitative analysis. On the basis of quantitative the solutions are expressed in these terms, the concentrations are expressed in these terms is, first one is weight percent or mass percent. Weight percent or mass percent, it is indicated by W by W percent. And the second point, second concentration term is volume percent. Volume percent means V by V percent. And the third one is weight by volume percent. Weight by volume percent. W by V percent. Another point, parts per million. Parts per million. It is indicated by ppm. Next, another one is molarity. And another one is normality. Molality. And another one mole fraction. These the solutions are the solutions of concentration expressed in concentration terms. One is weight percent or mass percent. It is indicated by W by W percent. Volume percent, V by V percent. And another one is weight by volume percent, W by V percent. Parts per million, molarity, normality, molality, mole fraction. Okay, I will discuss the one by one. First one is what? Weight by weight percent. Weight percent or mass percent. Listen. Mass percent. W by W percent. Listen. What is weight by weight percent or mass percent? The weight of solute in grams present in weight of the solution. That is called as weight percent or mass percent. The weight of solute, in grams present in 100 grams of the solution. 100 grams of the solution. 100 grams of the solution. The weight of solute in grams present in 100 grams of the solution is called as weight percent. The formula is W by W percent is equal to weight of the solute. Weight of the solute upon weight of the solution. Weight of the solution into 100. Weight of the solute upon weight of the solution into 100. This is the formula for weight percent or mass percent. It has no units. It has no unit. And another point is temperature independent. Temperature independent. Temperature independent. This is the weight percent or mass percent. What is meant by weight percent or mass percent? The weight of solute in grams. Solute in grams. Present in 100 grams of the solution. 100 grams of the solution is called as weight percent or mass percent. It has no unit. Temperature independent. Another term, another concentration term is volume percent. Volume percent. That meaning V by V percent. Volume percent is defined as the volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of the solution. The volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of the solution. 100 ml of the solution is called as volume percent. Well, see the example. This is the formula for volume percent is equal to volume of the solute in ml upon volume of the solution into 100. And it has no units. And another point is temperature dependent. Because the reason is volume is directly proportional to the temperature. That's why temperature is dependent. Temperature is dependent. volume percent. The volume of solute in ml present in 100, that means 100 ml of the solution, that is called as volume percent. It has no units. Temperature is dependent. Another point, another concentration term, weight by volume percent. Weight by volume percent is denoted by W by V percent. Weight by volume percent is defined as the weight of solute, in grams present in 100 ml of the solution. Solution is called as, weight by volume percent. W by V percent is equal to weight of the solute, by volume of the solution, into units, gram. Volume of the solution means gram per milliliter, inverse of a gram per milliliter. This is the units. Okay, another point is parts per million. Parts per million means what? The number of parts present in 10 power 6 parts of the solution. Number of parts of the solution, 10 power 6 parts of the solution. That means parts per million.